A defence delegation led by Minister of Defence of the Republic of Indonesia, Lieutenant General Retired Mr. Shafri Shamsuddin, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters, Islamabad. The high-level meeting was held as a follow-up to the recent state visit of the President of Indonesia to Pakistan and underscored the shared commitment of both countries to further strengthen bilateral defence cooperation between their respective air forces, with particular emphasis on capacity building, training and technological cooperation. The Air Chief reiterated the historic and brotherly relations between Pakistan and Indonesia, founded on shared values, mutual respect and strong people-to-people ties. He briefed the visiting dignitary on the recent advancements of Pakistan Air Force, highlighting its comprehensive plans of modernization through infrastructure development, revamping of training and induction of niche capabilities. He further highlighted that these strategic initiatives are aimed at enhancing PF's operational preparedness and technological edge in multi-domain operations as per the dictates of contemporary warfare challenges. Chief of the Air Staff reaffirmed Pakistan Air Force's commitment to further enhancing bilateral military cooperation through joint training initiatives and operational collaboration in the aviation domain, and sustained institutional engagement. Discussions on the JF-17 Thunder aircraft and technical collaboration were also held between the two sides, reflecting a shared interest in strengthening defence cooperation. The Indonesian Defence Minister commended the professionalism, operational excellence and combat readiness of Pakistan Air Force. He particularly appreciated the remarkable technological advancements achieved by PAF through indigenization and innovation under the National Aerospace Science and Technology Park, describing it as a testament to Pakistan's growing self-reliance in the aerospace sector. The visiting dignitary expressed keen interest in expanding cooperation with Pakistan Air Force in the areas of training, aviation and aerospace collaboration, while also acknowledging Pakistan's constructive role in promoting regional peace and stability. The meeting between Minister of Defence of the Republic of Indonesia and Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, is reflective of the growing momentum in Pakistan-Indonesia defence ties and reiterates the shared resolve of both countries to further deepen their long-standing partnership through enhanced cooperation and dialogue.